Introducing the all-new Equator's ED850S compact vented dryer. It features an intelligent airflow system with high-speed turbofans to dry your laundry in a flash, and measures 27.6 inches high, 23.6 inches wide, and 21.5 inches deep. The ED850S offers multiple dry cycles like normal, sensor, and time dry, and also offers 4 temperature settings. Its built-in wrinkle guard keeps your clothes fresh. And a special sensor dry option prevents over-drying. Choose the convenient sleep mode to automatically turn off the appliance after drying. The ED850S also features a convenient dual lint filter and a user-friendly knob to easily adjust the settings. Its durable 3.5 cubic feet stainless steel drum ensures long-lasting drying performance. This dryer operates efficiently on a standard 110 volts outlet, saving on electricity bills. For more details, scan the QR code on the control panel. Looking for a stacked unit? The ED850S can also be paired with the Equator's washers conveniently. Experience faster and superior drying with the Equator ED850S vented dryer today.